in charge of operations Weaver Band. So why are we here today? Not that we don't know what we are doing. It's good to retrain so that we maybe there's a market trend that are new or trends in the market that we need to know about them. Yes. So Wabogo, he will introduce his team. Thank you and welcome, Mr. Wasi.
Yes. Good morning. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We are rebranding. We want to think about how we can do a paradigm shift. Paradigm shift is changing from the normal way of doing things to a new, better way of doing things. If you don't do that, you'll be killed. How? Callbox was killed by mobile. Tuko pamoja. DVD imeuliwa na YouTube. Wewe utakuwa mhadhiriwa. If you don't change, if you don't do a paradigm shift, utabadilishwa kama vile poster ya kutuma barua imemalizwa na WhatsApp. SMS kwanza imemalizwa na WhatsApp. Hello? Na zinaendelea zikikuja zingine. So, if you are not in touch, if you are not careful, you'll be killed. Because in today's world, things are changing very fast. If you say something cannot be done, you will be literally interrupted by a person doing it. Praise the Lord. Praise the Lord.
Let's clap for Wabogo.
Personal performance starts with who? Can you say it starts with me? Inaanza na mimi. Tuko pamoja wa pwani. Sawa sawa, it starts with you. Step number 2, you need to take charge of your time. And this, there is something I call the SOD. There is this thing I call the SOD. The S stands for sacrifice. The O stands for order. And the D stands for discipline. Hello? Sacrifice, order, and discipline. When you take charge of your time, when you talk about the sacrifice, what makes you to grow, what makes any company to grow is the frequency of sacrifice of every person in that company, of that institution. Ama namna gani? Hello? Ama namna gani? Si namna hivyo?
We will break for lunch and please let's take shortest time possible.
Today we had a training session. We have new employees for our shops. We are in the season whereby we supply to the 4 months admitted, sometimes in May. So we are preparing for the big sale. That's why we have new employees and we want them to be in the same page with the others. In such cases, we prepare training like the one we had today. We had facilitators, Wabogo Kamau and John Amati. They have done a good job, and I believe by now all our employees are well catered for and they are packed.
Today we were gathered here for training, and it was very exciting. We had 2 trainers who have trained as well on how we are supposed to do on customer service and the purpose of us being working for Weaver Band Company. The key one in this one today is excellent customer service, and we commit ourselves to manufacture the best quality standards of uniforms. Thank you. Ambassador Wambo.